Hello and welcome to Guide Glimpse. So in this video, I will do a comparison between Cline and Cline. Here you can see that I have opened Cline. Here you can see Cline's features. So let's first talk about this auto approving Cline. You can see that here you can give auto commands, and here you also can add any file, problem, terminal, all things. And here you can also see, here you have access to two modes. You can see here the act and the plan mode. Now let's talk about Cline. Here you can see that in Cline you have access to three modes. You can see here are the modes. You can see that code is improving, and you can see that here you have three models, but in Cline you have two. And here you can also upload the media files, and similarly here you can also use the edit option, and they also have this prompt enhancer. You can use that. Now you can see here the prompt enhancer as well. Now let's talk about Cline's model. Here in Cline you have access to many API providers. You can see here how many options you have. Similarly here you can see that you have to provide the API key, then you can select here different models. And you can also see the prices for these models in the bottom. In Cline you also have this custom instruction option. You can write any custom specific instruction for your API. Now if we talk about Cline. In Cline you can see that in provider you have access to API provider models, and you can see the prices. Now if you compare the prices, you can see that both offer same prices, no price difference you can see here. But you can't access the custom instruction option in the Cline. In the Cline you have access to the checkpoints. So you can see that they have allowed us checkpoints, but in the Cline you can't find this feature. So if we teach how you can do that, for that when you will assign any tasks to this Cline, here you can see that I have assigned this tasks to the Cline, and now you can see this checkpoint option available in the Cline. Now here you can see that I have assigned a task to Cline. You can see that how well Cline is doing, but here you can't find these checkpoints. So here you can see that how well Cline is doing. Cline and Cline are both tools used in coding environment, but they serve different purpose. Cline is a lightweight command line interface CLI builder for Node.js applications. It helps developers create interactive command line tools with features like command pressing and user prompt. It's commonly used for building developers utilizing that run in the. On the other hand, Row is a code generation tool originally associated with the Spring Row framework in Java. It is used to rapidly generate codes in Java application, especially for building website applications using the framework. While Cline focuses on simplicity command line interface in JavaScript environment, Row emphasizes speeding up backend developments through automation and code generation in Java. Cline is ideal for creating smooth CLI experience in JavaScript projects, while Row is better suitable for fast-tracking JavaScript application. Both tools enhance productivity but in different programming ecosystems. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.